Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to quickly crop your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So traditionally, one way of doing it is to go to your effect controls panel and have your clip highlighted or selected in your timeline. And underneath motion, you have your crop option. So you have your crop left, you have your crop top, you have your crop right and crop bottom. So these are the traditional ways of cropping your footage, and they're really useful if you'd either like to animate them or need to really fine tune the crops. But there's a faster and easier way of cropping your footage, and that is through the direct manipulation tools. So if you have your clip highlighted underneath your program monitor at the bottom left, you're going to see a new button pop up. So let's click on this small arrow and let's choose the crop function. So as you can see, you can use your mouse wheel to scroll in to zoom in and scroll out to zoom out, and hold your middle mouse button to drag it around. And once you have this toggled on, you should see a few tabs here that you can drag to manually crop your footage. And this is really useful if you have lots of footage you'd like to work with and would like a faster way of doing this instead of having to fiddle with the effect controls panel. But as you can see, the values in the effect control panel have updated to match whatever change I make here in the program monitor. So that's it for this video. That was how to quickly crop your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.